Lathoya Magene, ubaleke nemali. Ubaleke ngezinto zaseMzansi Magic. Ubaleke ngengane yami uVusa Mazulu. Ubaleke manje ngoba kumele ngikuseve. Lathoya Magene awutholakale. Thank you South Africa. Iphupho yo. Oh baby, my love. I-contract says it's in. I'll read it for you. Bathi wena uzothola 2,000 something and mina ngizothola 80,000 rands. But don't worry. Oh, what a man you are. You know, you are such an honorable, honest, truthful person, Baba. I love you. Mom, bangitshela ukuthi baba wakwakho lo owashona uyakhala lapha khona ufuna inkukhu eziyi7.
Hey
Thokoza
madoda,
gogo, I
imhlola
think we
yami
made a mistake. Ubaba there must akashona
be
ngabuye lo
some
engihamba
misunderstanding, I'm
naye.
sorry.
Let me go and confirm something quickly. I'll be right back. Lezo inkukhu zinsizwa mayilahlwe lapha esigangeni ya sesiuqedile umsebenzi mndeni. Siyabonga kakhulu, asambeni. Hawu mama, le inkukhu mosilezi sishiye lapha ehlathini. Baby ungenzani? Ngithe mina kuwe. Me and you, we are going there. Manje why wena are you going left? Baba, bengeke ngiyeke inkukhu zoyi7 zidliwe yilwane lapha ehlathini when sikhona thina sabantu ukuthi sizidle baba. Hayi mama, mina ngifuna mina nawe siguge soyi2 kube yimi ngapha kule site. Maybe I'll be reading a book and then when ngale site maybe you'll be drinking coffee in front of a big pool. Sigugile, but wena wenzani? Bathu bakadula babuwa baba. But they are not going to be with me at the end of my days. But Hongwaitse baba kisono kana. I've got a bigger journey ahead of me. And as long as I can keep my eye on that ball, kishap.